So we're looking at the second problem from Midterm 2 of the University of Washington's Math 120 pre-calculus course. We have a picture. These shapes are supposed to be segments of circles. And we know a few details about the diagram at hand. In particular, this angle theta is 0.4 radians, and this shaded segment is 9 square units. And we're asked to find x. So if you haven't already, go ahead and pause the video and see whether you can work out the value of x, which is the length of the segment from here to here. Oh, there's one other thing that you'll need to know. This length is 4. So go ahead and pause the video, see what you can do. Okay, so let's see if we can handle this. How are we going to make sense of the question at hand? We need to write some sort of equation involving x. What can we say about x? Well, I know that the radius of this circle, this inner circle, is x, and the radius of this outer circle is x plus 4. So let me express the area of the entire ring around. If we imagined that this was actually full circle, a full annulus, a full circle inside another circle, let's see if we can express the area of this exterior ring. So the entire ring would be the area of the larger circle minus the area of the smaller circle. Let's actually multiply this out a little bit. We get pi x squared is going to cancel with this pi x squared. We'll have, this is the area of that entire outer ring, but we're only looking at a fraction of that ring. What fraction of the ring are we looking at? Well, if theta was a full 2 pi radians, then we'd be looking at the entire ring. But we're actually only looking at theta is 0.4 out of the possible 2 pi radians. So I can express the area of this shaded fraction of the ring by taking the entire ring and multiplying it by the proportion that we have, which will be 0.4 over 2 pi. So this is the area of the entire ring, and this is the fraction of the ring that we're actually dealing with. And I know the area, in fact, of this shaded region here. We're given that it is 9 square units. I can go ahead and bring this over to here, writing this as 18 pi over 0.4. I can bring the 16 pi over to the other side and then divide through by 8 pi, and I find that x equals, and I have an answer. I could write x as pi times, what is 18 divided by 0.4? 0.4 is really 2/5. So 18 divided by 2/5 is 45. And 45 minus 16 is 29. So we have that x is 29 pi over 8. I would not, at this point, actually compute this as a specific number. I would leave this written in terms of pi. In general, I prefer to see and to give answers that are written in terms of pi rather than in terms of something like 3.14.